The future perfect tense refers to expressions such as by the time I graduate university, I will have been 22 years old, or when the machine is ready for commercial use, alternative fuels will have become cheap enough. The meaning of the future perfect tense refers to a future action or state that comes before another future point in time. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use the verb form for the future perfect tense correctly and tell you the meaning of the future perfect tense in detail. Now, this video is a sequel to this video, which explains how the tense system works in general. If you want to know more about tenses, please check it out. Anyway, let's begin. The future perfect tense uses a special verb form will have plus PP. Let's first look at what the past participle, also known as the PP, is. Every verb can be changed into multiple forms. To express the past time, the verb changes into the past form. To create a noun, the verb changes into a gerund. To express continuous tenses or to create an adjective, the verb changes into a present participle. And to express perfect tenses, the passive voice, or to create an adjective, the verb changes into the past participle. Since we're talking about the future perfect tense today, we're interested in this guy. If you look up a verb in the dictionary, it tells us how to make the past participle. Some verbs transform into PP by adding an EN after the verb. Some verbs transform into PP by adding an ED after the verb. And some verbs look the same when they transform into PP. There are many other types, but introducing them all will go beyond our topic, so I'll stop here. Now let's see how we make a sentence in will have plus PP form. Let's say I want to change the sentence I finished my homework by Sunday into one with will have PP form. First, insert will have in front of the original verb finish, as in I will have finished my homework by Sunday. Secondly, change the original verb finish into its PP form finished, and you're done. Please remember that you do not change the word will no matter what your subject is. Leave it as it is. On the other hand, you can contract the word will as the following in informal settings. If you want to say not in the sentence, put it after the word will, as in I will not have finished my homework by Sunday. Now let's move on to the meaning of the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to a future action or state that comes before another future point in time. For instance, let's say you have this timeline and you have two future points in time. You use the future perfect tense to describe event number 1, which comes before another future point in time, event number 2. For event number 2, use time adverb clauses with simple present tense, as in when she graduates, by the time he retires, or before 2025. Let me show you what I mean. Take the sentence, I will have been 50 when my daughter graduates college. Because will have PP is used here, my reaching 50 happens first. Then, because I have time adverbs plus the simple present tense here, my daughter's graduation happens later in the future. Here are some more example sentences and their timeline. Jason will have finished writing his book by 2021. If creative thinking is no longer a criterion, the goal of our education will have been lost. I will have moved back to New York before I apply for a new job. And here are some common adverbs for describing the event number 2. Due to its meaning, the future perfect tense can be used only when you talk about two or more future points in time. If you're just talking about one future point, then please use the simple future tense. In addition, some people wonder what the difference is between expressions such as I'll be 40 years old before my daughter graduates and expressions like I will have been 40 years old when my daughter graduates. There is no difference in meaning, so please use the first one if you are not comfortable using the future perfect. Use the second one if you get used to the future perfect tense. Alright, this is it for the future perfect tense. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and hit subscribe for more English lessons. It was nice having you. Please check out the videos on other tenses, and goodbye.